Tiles at the barge are turned up 15 to 20 millimeters to form a water check. Sit the bottom barge cover in place and mark the fascia line inside the barge downturn. Flatten the small tab at the end and snip it off. Square a line across from the point where the tab was removed, then mark a line parallel to the fascia line. Snip up this line, then leaving a 20 millimeter downturn, snip off the excess. Snip the tab at 25 millimeters and remove the excess, then cut off the large tab, leaving a 15 millimeter tab. Bend this tab 90 degrees, then fold the end over to match the vertical cut. Now from the bottom edge of the closure, snip up at 90 degrees to the fascia line, then snip up the fascia line and remove. Sit the barge cover in place, then bend the 15 millimeter tab up so that it locks into the back of the tile. Nail the barge cover through its vertical face at the laps and at 2 points between the laps. The top face of the barge cover also has to be nailed vertically into the tile batten on every course of tiles. Trim the top barge cover to fit.